alphabet C here, like this. Very easy. Okay. Next step we are going to do is a circle here, a very small circle here for the nose. Okay. Draw a very small circle, and then we need to join this line to this and this line to this, right? We are going to add the fur here. Okay, so for that you need to make this one V. You know how to make the alphabet V, right? One V smaller, one V bigger, and then again one V smaller, and then you can join it till here. Okay, so from left side and from the right side also we need to do the same. 1, 2 and 3, like this. Okay, we need to make his ears. So for the ear on the left side and the right side, we just need to draw this one curve, second curve, like this. Okay, and we need to parallelly repeat it also. Okay, and now from the right side we need to draw it like this and this. Parallelly we are going to make one more inside it. So you can see the 2 ears. We need to add a fox body. Okay, so for that it's very easy. First of all we are going to make this curve like this, a little round inside it, and like this. Okay, try to make it like this, and then parallelly we need to, like, here it will be way closer, and from here it will be thoda sa far away, like closer and then thoda sa. Okay, so we need to make his body part, his stomach. Let's make his tail. So the tail is really it's amazing. Like, you need to make the curve. So first of all you need to make a curve from here. Okay, like this, and then you need to curve it like this. Okay, so it's attached here. We just need to, yeah, make it like this. So one curve, there is a one curve from here, and then you need to move it like this. So this is the tail part, and in the tail we need to make some of the V's like this. That's it. Next thing, we are going to add his eyes, which is sleeping like it's closed. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, and we need to draw a grass here. For that we are going to make this curve like this. After making this curve, we are going to make the trees. So for the trees we need to draw a straight line, and one part from here, one from here, and the third one is very easy. Okay, and then we can parallelly double it like this. That's it. And then we can add an oval. Okay, next thing we are going to add is like another tree. Again we are going to make straight line, 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to double this line and make a oval here. That's it. Same thing here, 1 double, 1 2 3, and this oval here. So there will be 4 trees, same pattern like this, and the drawing is completed now. Okay everyone, now the next thing we are going to do, we are just going to outline it very fast, and then I'll tell you how to color it. Okay, so there is the subject. This is the fox, which is the subject. First we are going to color the sky and the grass and the trees, then we are going to color our fox. Okay, this is the sky blue, normally available in all the set of the boxes. Like if you have 10 set or 25 or 50, it will be there. So use sky blue and do it here. I hope this drawing is very much easier now for all you to draw and color. So we need to do the sky blue color in the background of the sky. Okay. Next thing we are going to do, directly do without olive green also. I'm just outlining this grass part with olive green to show a little darker shade here. It's not in the painting which I have said, like you have seen the creative, but it look really good to outline it with dark color and then shade it with light. Olive green, you can outline it. If you don't have the olive green, like you have the dark green, you can use that also. So in the trees, we are going to use color this shade, which is medium yellow. And next here, we need to color it red. Okay. So, and a part of this, we are going to add the tree stem. So we are going to do it brown. Inside it, the part you have doubled it, you can do the brown shade. We are going to use this orange shade. First, we are going to do it in his body. And with this head also, we are going to color this orange. We need to color, okay? And in the ears also, outside part, we need to do it orange. So we are done with the fox. Okay. I think all are coloring. Let's not get bored. Let me show you few of the work we have done with the previous student. So this is the drawing we have done with our regular classes, and it's about Friendship Day. So this is Benita Pooh and Piglet. You can see here. And let me show you. This was a sketching class of seniors age group above 10 plus. We have make a eye. You can see a bald eagle here. Who have seen a bald eagle? So it's a species of eagle which is found in America. So I think you have seen Captain America on these kind of things. You have seen this kind of eagle or some kind of cartoons in these things. And let me show you, like this is the tiger. We have done it on the day of Tiger's Day. So Tiger's Day was on 29th July. And you see the drawing, it's done all with the help of lines and shapes and curves. This is a painting done with watercolor. And there is a beautiful octopus. We have done it with the help of shapes. We have students of all age group. This is a pencil shading for you all. These are the two pairs. You can see it here clearly. So these are the few drawings. Let me get back.